Welcome back to another interesting tutorial about CorelDraw tips and tricks. And in today's video, I'll show you how to change color image to black and white without any stress using CorelDraw. Let me show you how. Very first thing you want to do, this particular image right here, is exactly what I'm going to use as an example right here. So I'm going to press Ctrl D to make a duplicate of this image and side right here. Next thing I'm going to do is to go ahead and select this particular one right here, and then this is exactly the one I'm going to use to turn into black and white. Next thing you want to do is to come to the top right here where you have your effects tab. Then from effects tab, go ahead and make sure you look for camera right here. Then from camera, go ahead and click on colorize. And in a few seconds, it's going to give you dramatic black and white. Now, from the sections right here, you have some additional effect here which allow you to correct the preset of the black and white if you eventually not satisfied with the result right here. You can come down below right here where you have hue. You can control the hue, and then at the same time you can control the saturation if you are not satisfied with the auto result given by CorelDraw. Everything depends on what exactly you really want to achieve as far as the image and the result is concerned. So go ahead on and play around with the effect right here until you are satisfied with the kind of result you are looking. It's that simple. So this is how to simply convert color image to black and white in CorelDraw. More tutorial tips and tricks on how best to use CorelDraw software. Consider to subscribe. Thank you so much for watching, and I hope to see you